right, another day of heading to homes that have been had foundation repair done prior to it, and everything failing. Day after day, I go to a house. It seems like all my bids, every one I go to has had some previous contractor come in there and put in wall braces or whatever, and walls moving, piers that floors falling apart, engineering fail 101 from the start. And so I'm heading to my first appointment here now. It's really sad that people take your money and give you a product that is a temporary product, but comes with a lifetime guarantee. It boggles my mind. For real foundation repair, permanent foundation repair, King Piers is the only one. We're the Lone Ranger. It's become very clear to me. I have sleepless nights when I have open holes. I take this stuff to bed with me. Every job. 24 hours a day I'm working. Striving to be the very best in the world at what I do. Check out our website, kingpiers.com, footingsupportpier.com, and footinglifters.com. Thank you.